Welcome back, friends, to another video. Today's video is going to be a day in the life video. We are going to the Natural History Museum, and today is going to be filled with lots of food. As you can see here, I'm starting my morning with a hot cup of water and lemon. I'm also feeding my sourdough starter. To feed my sourdough starter, I essentially just add, depending on how much starter I have, in this case, based on what I already had there, I only added about 1.5 cups of flour and 3/4 or maybe 1 cup of water. The water does need to be filtered. I mix it really well. It does have to be mixed with a wooden spoon. And then after that, I let it sit for several hours so that it can ferment, and it usually rises all the way to the top, which I'll probably show you a little later. We are making our pitaya bowl, and one of the things that we started with as our base, or in the base, is going to be, of course, pitaya, aka dragon fruit. I'm adding a little bit of mango for sweetness and strawberries for tartness. I think that, I don't know, I kind of want to use cherries for tartness, but I'm not sure how that's going to, if it's going to mix well for that matter. I'm also going to add greens, bananas for creaminess. So that's what we're doing. That's what we're having for breakfast. By the way, if you have kids at home that don't like their veggies very much or lettuce, this is a great way to sneak in some leafy greens into your kiddos' diet, or even into your diet if you're not a fan of just eating salad. The granola that you see here is homemade. I will be sure to leave the link to the recipe video in the description box. You will also see me making a separate bowl of chia pudding for Sophia. She does not like acai bowls, but I'm perfectly fine with her having chia pudding because I still get to add a little bit of fruit and she gets a ton of fiber with it. And I also add flaxseed and almond meal. I didn't get a clip of my pitaya bowl, but here is my husband's that I had just put in the freezer for a little bit while he finished his workout. You can add a little bit more. All right.
Can I taste some?
But can you add more first? Add a little bit more.
Oh, there's more here.
Yeah. Oh, geez.
Can I taste
Pour
some?
a little bit more, please. Pour a little bit more.
No.
No more. And this is what happens when I have a helper.
Taste some? You okay, taste some?
Not yet.
Oh.
Okay, try.
I can't do it. Do it. Now?
Okay, you want to record, Mommy?
Mommy, she break an egg.
Uh-huh.
She only has to do it, but Lucas can. I'll see you next time. Okay. Bye, guys. Can I taste some?
I don't.
Yes, tastes good.
We just added our yogurt instead of sour cream.
We have a little bit of yogurt and a little bit of sour cream.
No sour cream. If you are new here, welcome. I would really, really love it if you would consider subscribing. I would love to have you here as part of my growing YouTube family. Sure.
Yes, it's good. What are you going to add?
I think at this point we just add walnuts.
Walnuts? We don't need walnuts.
I know you don't like walnuts.
Big one.
I will also be sure to leave this recipe in the description box. If you follow me over on Instagram, then you might have already seen a Reels video of this recipe for this banana muffins. But if you haven't yet, definitely go and check out my Instagram account. I will leave my handle here so you can follow me there as well. Okay, let's not get copyrighted here because I think over 10 seconds they copyright you. The muffins are ready, and I am also going to show you guys here a shot of my sourdough starter. As you can see, it hasn't been out or fermenting for very long, but it's already rising. Here's a little bit of leftover sourdough bread from a few days ago. I'm just cutting it up into slices, and I will make us a very quick lunch, which is going to be essentially avocado toast with egg on top. And as you can see here, we have made it to the Natural History Museum. Exciting times, guys. You guys want to go look at the dinos? Let's go look at the dinosaurs. Can you tell Sophia's excitement? For anyone watching in the LA County area, the Natural History Museum does have a free admission from 3 to 5 p.m.
What's that one?
Guys, I think this museum is super, super fun for kids, for adults. I think it would be really great for just a date night as well. Or if you have older kids, maybe teenagers, they have wonderful, wonderful grounds. You can actually step outside and go into the rose garden that is just across, and they let you back in with your wristband if you want to have a picnic over there. In the meantime, you can also go to their edible garden, which actually my camera died, so I couldn't show you too many clips, but they just have so many nice areas for the whole family. One of the kids' favorite areas here in the museum was the play zone. I believe that's what it was called, and it was super interactive. So I highly recommend that for toddlers. They even had like a pretend play fossil digging. It was just so cool to watch. And I was just in awe with all of these dinosaurs. Honestly, they're just so beautiful to look at. So majestic in a way. I don't know. I don't have any words. It was just so beautiful. after a breath of fresh air in their gardens, we made our way home for dinner.
Here, Mommy.
Oh, thank you. On this night, my husband made chicken tacos. He also made an adobo sauce to go with them while the kids played. Here I'm showing you a clip of a new serrated knife that we bought that has really helped us to be able to slice our sourdough nice and even. Well, we are at the end of the video, guys. If you guys have watched all the way till here, thank you so much. Please leave me a dino emoji, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.